Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is FRZ Automobile. In this video we are working on radio. As you can see, this is a radio cast stereo. The issue we have on this radio is that when it's working, the CD plate is not playing. Now as you can see, what we have done so far is that we clean the lens. We clean the lens surface. As you can see, you use a tissue to clean all the dust on this surface. When you do so, after you have done, you now cover it and give a test. Now I've already cleaned it. Let me test it on the radio surface. Okay guys, let's give a test on the work we have done. Now I've on it. Here is a CD plate. I'm going to insert it. As you can see, it's loading, reading the discs. Now as you can see, it's working now. Okay, that is all it. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.